Hey, Lisa here with the Colored Umbrella. I absolutely love sublimation, but as you know, sublimating on 100% cotton is something that we cannot do. But luckily, today I want to show you something that makes that possible and is so simple to use. It's this HTVRont Sublimation HTV. Let me show you how to make this super cute shirt on 100% cotton and get amazing colors and results. So let's get to it.